Punch. Perfect press. All right, so let's talk about movement of the gun and then how that really applies to practical accuracy. All right, so none of us are a vice. We can never hold a gun perfectly still. What we need to do is get comfortable with the movement that we have and just have it work with us. So right now, let's say my front sight is perfectly in the center of the target, but I am going to add input to the gun with my dominant hand. All right? So perfect sight picture, bad result because I am adding input to the gun, right? Because I am perceiving a perfect sight picture. Now, we're going to see movement that I'm actually exaggerating, right? I'm exaggerating movement, but that means I should be missing, but I'm not, right? Because I am adding good trigger management to the gun. So even if we see a little bit of movement in our sight picture, guys, as long as we're applying proper trigger control, we're going to get a positive result.